Hi everyone, I am Aarti More and I have completed electronics and telecommunication, and I also work in electronics, basically in embedded system for 3 years. And after that I have shifted my career in IT field. So as a React developer I am working now in Pune, and now I have decided to start to give the guidance to the people who want to learn the React.js. So React.js is very easy to learn, and that's why I have started my career in IT with React. So React is basically open source front end library, and it is found by Jordan Walk. He is a software engineer in Facebook. So after that, after Facebook, Instagram also started to work on React. So nowadays React is very popular. That's why I've decided to provide guidance to the people through the video. So this is my first video, that is an introductory video. As React provide lots of benefits, like it have a JSX, it has a virtual DOM, then server side rendering, then reusability increase as there is a component based structure. So this kind of benefit is there. That's why many times React is preferred for the web development. If you want to become a React developer, then what things you should know, that I will tell you now. So main thing is what is React you should know, then benefits of React, that's I already told you. Now what important topics you should know as a React developer, that is first most important, that is what is component lifecycle method. Before that, what is component? So React provide two types of component, that is functional component and class component. Now we nowadays no one use the class component. So functional component is preferable everywhere, and component have lifecycle method having three phases, that is mounting. Now these three phases have different events, like in mounting there is a four events. First is a constructor, second is get derived state from prop, third is render, and last is component did mount. Now second is updating state. In updating state there is a five events, that first is get derived state from props, then should component update, render, then get snapshot before update, and the last is component did update. And unmounting how component will unmount, that is the event. So this is the event. And another thing that is important in React, that is hooks. So we have a different hooks provided by React, that is use state, use effect, then use context, use ref, use reducer. There is a two important for memoization purpose hooks, that is use memo and use callback. We have another hooks provided by React router DOM. So different hooks also there, that is also important. Then other important topic, that is React router. Then API integration is also important. Then states props. So for to make a React developer, we should know the HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript also. So we can make basic things learned in React if you know the this all the things, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.